A binary tree is a hierarchical data structure in which each node has at most two children, which are referred to as the left child and the right child. Each node in a binary tree contains a value or data element and has connections to its children nodes. The topmost node in the tree is called the root node, and nodes with no children are called leaf nodes. The binary tree structure has several key properties. Root node, the topmost node of the tree from which all other nodes descend. Parent and children, each node, except the root, has a parent node and can have at most two children nodes. Leaf nodes, nodes with no children are referred to as leaf nodes. They are the nodes at the end of the tree. Internal nodes, nodes with at least one child are called internal nodes. These nodes connect other nodes within the tree. Depth, the depth of a node refers to the length of the path from the root node to that node. Height, the height of a binary tree is the maximum depth among all its nodes. It represents the longest path from the root to a leaf node. Binary trees can be used to efficiently represent a variety of data structures and algorithms. They have applications in computer science for tasks such as organizing data, searching, sorting, and even in various tree-based data structures like binary search trees, AVL trees, and more. There are also different types of binary trees, including full binary tree, a binary tree in which every node has either 0 or 2 children. Complete binary tree, a binary tree in which all levels, except possibly the last, are completely filled, and all nodes are as left as possible. Perfect binary tree, a binary tree in which all internal nodes have exactly 2 children, and all leaf nodes are at the same level. Balanced binary tree, a binary tree in which the height difference between the left and right subtrees of any node is at most 1. These variations and properties of binary trees make them a fundamental concept in computer science, particularly in algorithm design and data structure implementation.